Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Artist King here. Today I am doing this piece and I am dedicating this piece to my sister who right now is having some medical challenges. So I thought it would be nice to do something with her picture on it so that everyone can see it. So I used this is my second attempt to do this. I used a different picture and tried to do something new, which just did not work. So I'm starting over again with a black and white picture. I took a regular photo of her and I made a photocopy and then I cut out because it was she and I was in the photo, but I just wanted this to be about her. So I did that and I decided to stick it back on the same piece. But before I did that, I had decorated the canvas to do what I wanted to do, but like I said, that didn't work out. So here I am turning the corner and just not stopping or not being discouraged, but just keep on, just keep going. So I used gel medium to stick the picture on the canvas. So I'm using an actual canvas, not a canvas board like I always do. And now I am using white acrylic paint to just kind of paint the ends. I didn't want it to be too square. I just wanted it to be kind of, I don't know. I didn't really want it to have a shape. So that's why I put the white paint over it. And yeah, I tried to do that. So then I decided to use a stencil and put kind of like a picture frame around it in gold. So that's what I've done here. Use gold ink to do this little, it's almost like a picture frame around the photo. So I ended up using my ruler to keep it in place because I didn't want it, like some of the pieces, the edges to look weird. So I decided, somewhere you'll see where I decided to use the ruler so that it could keep, see, there you go, so that it would keep everything in line so nothing would go and smear over the line. So that's what I did here. Yeah, so I tried to cover the white that I just painted around the edges. I'm trying to cover that up with the gold color now and make like a picture frame, which I thought was a good idea. I think it looks great. Yeah, so see, then I'll raise it up some more and be able to get it the way I wanted it to be. So put the ruler back and just kind of make sure you keep the edges, from spot, kind of, blending onto the other side and making it look. See, so there it looks good because it looks like an actual frame on the picture. There you go. So now I decided I was going to cover the rest of the area with light color, like roses. Yeah, almost like roses, and some other flowers I didn't put it in. So this is actually yellow, but I'm not sure why my yellow looks like gold. But I couldn't stop. I kept on going. So I used like a light orange, a light blue, a light pink, light red. I used several different colors, but they were all very light colors to cover up the rest of the area. So it almost looks like the picture is sitting in a whole bed of roses, like it's being laid, it's laid in a, and roses are covering it all around. So I thought this would make it look good, and this would be, you know, this would, I don't know, just gives me good memories and good vibes from her, you know. This is how, when I think of her, this is how I see her in my mind, because we live very far away from each other, so I don't get to see her. So I have one of these pictures in my office, and you know, it's just a way to remember her in, you know, how she was before all the medical issues came up. So, and this picture was taken when she came to visit me years ago. And it was funny, I made her buy I bought a black shirt for her, and I had a white shirt, and we went and took pictures. That was back in the day when you could go and get your photo taken at the area in Walmart, and you paid like maybe $19, and you got all kind of 8x10s, 5x7s, you know, wallet size pictures. So we got a whole bunch of pictures, and it was a lot of fun for she and I to do this, because we were posing, and you know, she had to fix her makeup, and I was laughing because I don't like to wear makeup. So yeah, so that's why I thought, and I know she likes roses, so that's why I thought, and I didn't want to do them too dark, because for some reason too, the ink pads I have, the bright colors don't come out too dark. I don't even know if that makes sense. They're just really light, and you can hardly really see them like you should. So I finished putting all the roses in. So I found this stencil that I thought was appropriate for the piece. Because this is my older sister, and I do think that she is very beautiful. So I found the stencil, and I thought that would be appropriate to finish the piece. So there it is. And it's kind of it might look kind of cheesy, but hey, that's my sister. I can do what I want to do with this. And I put this here because I still have faith that she will be okay. I still, you know, I believe in miracles. I still believe that God can change things and turn things around. So that's why I thought I'd put faith and hope on this. So that's the end of the piece. And I think, I don't know, for some reason I don't think I like how that green around the edges looks. I think I changed it. Yeah, I did change it and put some red instead. I think the red looked a lot better than the green. Yeah. So anyway, guys, you know, I'm getting carried away with this, but thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little thing that I did for my sister. And again, her name is Marilyn. So remember, I post on every Tuesday and every Saturday. So check it out, you know, share, leave a comment, like the video, subscribe, and I will keep putting these videos out. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time on my next video. Okay? All right, bye now.